Hello everybody. Welcome to the second part of the project controlling a servo in a robotic arm with potentiometers. This is the second part where I'll explain the connections. This is the connection diagram. I have made it with the freezing software. First, this is the Arduino Uno board. The 5 volt is going to the positive railing of both the breadboard sides. The negative is going to the negative railing from here and here. These are the 3 potentiometers 1, 2 and 3. This is the negative point of all the potentiometers and the red wire is the positive. The yellow is the output of them. This is the third potentiometer which is going to the analog 0 pin which will control the gripper. The potentiometer 2 is going to the analog 1 and the first one, which is the potentiometer 1, is going to the analog 2. This is the capacitor. The capacitor is connected to both the railings of the breadboard, the positive and the negative. This is the 4700 UF capacitor of 25 volts. You can also use a 16 volt capacitor. This is the external power source which is going here. Don't forget to connect the negative of the Arduino to the negative of the battery, or the servos would not take the power supply from the batteries. These are the servo 2, servo 3 and servo 1. The servo 1 is taking the input of the PWM from the 9th pin. The servo 2 is taking, the servo 3 is taking from the 10th and the servo 2 is taking from the 11th pin. They both are connected to the positive and the negative railings. If we want to do it without the power supply, if you have less power motors, you can just delete it. There you are. Because the 5 volt is already connected to the breadboard positive railing of the servos. I did not arrange all of them on one breadboard railing because the potentiometers would also take the external power supply of the capacitors and the 4AA batteries. Thank you friends for watching and don't forget to subscribe to AIVersity. In the next part, I will explain you the code. Thank you friends for watching.